An alkali is a base that has dissolved in water. When an alkali is used to neutralize an acid, two colorless solutions react together. This requires a special technique called a titration. A burette can be used to deliver varying volumes of acid solution. The burette is first filled carefully to the 0 centimeters cubed mark with dilute acid. A pipette and pipette filler are then used to transfer a fixed volume of alkali into a titration flask. The volume transferred in this experiment is 25 centimeters cubed. 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator is now added to the alkali. This indicator turns pink in alkali. The tap is opened and the acid is run into the alkali. The indicator turns colorless when just enough acid has been added to react with all the alkali. The solution has been neutralized. In this experiment, 18.7 centimeters cubed of acid are needed. The salt solution formed is contaminated with indicator. This would not give us pure salt crystals. The experiment must be repeated, but this time using no indicator. 18.7 centimeters cubed of acid is run into 25 centimeters cubed of alkali. This produces a neutral salt solution. Finally, the salt crystals can be obtained from solution by evaporation to dryness. This process could be used, for example, to produce the salt sodium chloride.